What's going on, guys? So today we are taking the 450 down to Super Coops, getting a couple practice laps today. They have a practice session from like 3 to 8, I believe, or 4 to 8. Anyway, we're taking that down in the back of the Ram, so we're gonna have basically like a Ram video and a dirt bike video today. So I'm going to pick up my buddy Coffee. He's gonna go down there with me, and we're gonna get some practice laps in today. It's a beautiful day here in Michigan, so let's get it. Look how clean the Ram is. I literally spent 2 hours on it the other day detailing it. Washed it, waxed the wheels, got the wheels looking all good. I haven't washed it in about a month, so it was pretty filthy. But Ram's looking good, all cleaned up, just in time to take it to a dirt bike track and get it filthy again. I know it's stupid, but whatever. For those of you wondering, this is a 2017 YZ 450F. I've got graphics by 45 Designs on here. I've got black rim, red hubs. Other than that, it's pretty much stock. So like I mentioned before, the track we're going to is called Super Coops. It's a track down by Milan, Michigan. It's actually right by Milan Dragway. And I've never been there before. This is gonna be a first time for me. So I'm pretty excited to see how the track is. I hear it's a sand track, so I got some sand tires on the bike. We're gonna go make a few laps and see how it goes, so stay tuned. All right, guys, so we got the bike loaded up in the back of the Ram, and now we're gonna head over to Coffee's, pick him up, and get on the road and head down to Super Coops. Check out the bike in the back of the truck. Here's one thing I don't like about the Rams, is especially the 1500s, is the beds just aren't long enough. This is a 5'7" bed, and as you can see here, a full-size dirt bike won't even fit in there with the gate shut. A lot of guys turn the bikes sideways, like put the front wheel in the corner and put them in sideways, but for some reason this bike still does not fit in here with the tailgate up sideways. So what I'm thinking, it's because of my tonneau cover here. I think my tonneau cover gets in the way of the tire fully, you know, maxing out the bed length, because this sticks out about 2 inches. So I'm pretty sure that's why the 450 will not sit in the tailgate, or I'm sorry, will not fit in the back of the bed with the tailgate up, with it sideways. So, oh well, no biggie. I got some bungee cords holding down my fuel jug and my stand. Hopefully the chairs don't blow out, and I got the ramp in there sideways, so I don't think we'll have any issues. But we're gonna head over to Coffee's, pick him up, and then I'll see you guys on the road. All right, guys, so we just got to Coffee's house. Check out his cars. He's got a Grand Sport Corvette, white on black, and check out his Cummins with these American Force wheels, 24 by 16s. These things are massive. Look at those spiked lug nuts. What do you guys think of this? Comment down below, let me know your thoughts. Octane red, mega cab, good looking truck. These wheels are just massive. I want to point something out to you guys. Check this out. The rim sticks out about 1 inch past the tire. So talk about curb hopping. This thing would be a bad truck to go through a drive-through, and look how far out the wheels stick. This thing's crazy, but those wheels are sick though. So yeah, mega cab and a Corvette Grand Sport, not bad. All right, guys, so we got the bikes loaded up in the back of the Ram here. As you can see, it's loaded to the gills here. There's no room for anything else. The gas can's strapped down. We're ready. Can't believe how much more room there is in his Cummins than there is in this. This 5'7" bed's just too small for 2 bikes. It's just, look how close the handlebars are. They're like touching. But oh well, we got them in there. Now we got about 1.5 hour drive to the track, so we'll see you on the road. Well, we just got here. All right, guys, so we just pulled up at the track here. We're gonna unload the bikes and do some riding. Track looks good, not too muddy, not too sandy. Should be a pretty good day. Let's get it. I'll follow you. He's on GoPro. that's going to complete today's video. If you liked the video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. If you're new to the channel, make sure you smash that subscribe button. And thank you for all your support. I greatly appreciate it. I see we're at 8,000 subscribers now, and it's just growing by the day. I greatly appreciate you guys for your support. As always, thanks for watching, and I will see you next video. Peace.